Electrical program, we have got a very large base of lighting symbols. As you can see, different types are available. So now let's add a binding light double lamp. We click the OK button and we'll insert it directly here. Of course, we can use all base CAD commands, like for example the array function. Thanks to this, we can easily arrange the lighting fixture system in the room. We select the object, we change the offset of rows and columns, we click the OK button, and as you can see, it's arranged. In CAD Electrical, we got a very large library of electrical symbols. Symbols like sockets, switches, buttons, and many more. Now we'll add a two-pole switch. With the Insert Multiple function, we can quickly insert the symbol into different places in our drawing. Like here, here, but also here. As you can see, this process quickly speeds up the drawing. Let's go to the Symbols command once again. This time let's add a socket. So let's choose a socket outlet. And of course, with the Insert Multiple function, we'll insert the symbol into different places in our drawing. With the Attributes and Description command, we can quickly change the attributes of different symbols, like for example we can add the power. We click the Save Attributes. We'll go to the Attributes and Descriptions command once again. As I can see, the power is here. We can quickly assign the attribute to different symbols. So we'll click the Assign to command. We choose the symbols. We click the Enter button. And as you can see, all the symbols has got the power already changed. We click the Save Attributes. We go to the Attributes and Description command once again. And as you can see, the power attribute is saved.